must see, there are so many types in data types. Whenever you go to cool drink shop, there are Limca, Thumbs Up, Pepsi, like that. In the same manner, in data also, we have 4 types: character, integer, float, double. Characters means alphabets. Integer means round number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All are integers. Float means a number with a decimal point. Dot operator. Double also a number with a dot operator. Decimal point. Now, what is the difference between float and double is? In float, after point, we have 6 precisions. Whereas in double, we will have up to 10 precisions. It allows to keep only 6. It allows to keep 10. That is the difference. Next one is, we need to read the data. We need to store the data in computer. To store the data, we need container. That container is called as variable. So variable is a container. It is used to store the data. So here I created 3 containers to store 3 values. First one is roll number, second one is student name, third one is average marks. To create these 3 variables, I write the code like this. Roll number, it is the name of the variable. It contains 501. 501 is nothing but a number, round number. So I mentioned integer. Sname is the name of the variable. It contains alphabets, means characters. How many characters? We have group of characters. So I mentioned 50 here. Any number you can mention. The meaning of 50 is, in this container we can store up to 50 letters. It allows to store up to 50 letters. Third one, average marks. It contains 98.5. It is a number with a decimal point. So I mentioned float. Like this, you have to create the variables. Now you can continue the class.
Okay,
Today
sir.
I am going to explain you the concept of identifier. What is identifier? Friends, you have a name. Your village, it is also having a name. Your state, it is also having a name. Your country, it is also having a name. In computer also, we have so many names. Simply the names are called as identifiers. I will give 3 examples, then you can understand easily. Example 1, integer roll number. What is this? Data type followed by variable name. It is called variable. What is the variable? Roll number is the variable. The name assigned to variable. So it is called identifier. So here, roll number is identifier of variable, means name of the variable. One more example I will give you. Void main. Here main is the function. Whatever the code you want to write, that should be write within the main method. So here main is the name of the function. So here main is, what is main? Identifier. Name is nothing but identifier of what? Function.
Sir,
Amma, Varma.
could you repeat this topic once again? I didn't understood properly, sir.
Which one? First one, second one?
This topic, sir, the topic which you are repeating now. Actually, I didn't understand these identifiers.
Identifier is nothing but name, Varma. What is your name?
Sorry, sir.
What is your name? Name.
Gauri Sharma.
Varma. Varma is your name, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whenever I want to call you, how I can call? With the name Verma.
Yeah, sir.
That name is called identifier.
Okay, okay.
Got it? Here in first example, I created a variable. It is the name of the variable. It is called, the name is nothing but identifier of the variable. Got it? In second example, I write a function. What is the name of the function? Main.
Main.
So main is the identifier of the function. Got it? Name of the function is nothing but identifier of the function.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Example third example I will give. Hash define pi 3.14. It is a line of code to define a constant. Hash define means it is a command used to define a constant. What is the name of the constant here? Pi. Pi is the name of the constant. What is the value of pi?
3.1.
3.14. It is the value. So here pi is nothing but the name of the constant. It is nothing but the identifier of the constant. Here pi is name. Name is nothing but identifier.
Sir, why you have written hash define?
It is a command you have to use to define a constant.
Sir, then for the int we haven't used.
That is not a constant. It is a variable. Variable means you can change its value. But a constant means it doesn't allow to change its value. Got it?
Sir, semicolon.
For each line you have to write semicolon in C language. Later I will explain. No problem. First,
Sir, in hash define you have not written.
No. For this you should not write. Why? Because it is a line of code which will be executed at the time of compilation. Here you should not use semicolon. Here you have to write semicolon. Later, while writing the program, you can understand where we need to put semicolon, where we should not put semicolon. Later I will explain. Got it? Now concentrate on what is identifier. Concentrate on that one. Identifier is nothing but a name of the variable, name of the constant, name of the function. So it is the way of creating a variable. It is the way of creating a method. It is a way of creating a constant. Now got it or not got it? Dilkashan.
Oh, yes, sir.
Right. So don't worry, Dilkashan. Okay, you will easily understand this one. No problem. Right. Now what is identifier? Tell me. The names allocated to variables or methods or constants are called as identifiers. Are called as identifiers. These are the three examples for that. Friends, note it down. Friends, it is the free demo class. Once we complete the free demo classes, then I will create a WhatsApp group for you and I will send this material every day to you using that WhatsApp group. You need not to note it down once complete the free demo classes.
Sir, actually, when is the last day, sir, for the payment?
Actually, today is the last date, right? Monday onwards, we will have paid sessions.
Okay, sir.
Good. I already told you, on weekends, we don't have any classes. Saturday, Sunday, 2 days holidays. We have classes on Monday to Friday only. For
Sir,
this
how
week,
many days does this course take?
45 days.
Sir, 8 to 9.
Yes, same time. All the days, same time.
Notes will be getting, sir.
No? What is Verma?
Actually, we'll be getting notes in WhatsApp, right?
Notes you will get every day. You will get. Writing the notes means it is killing our time. Am I right?
Sir, and moreover, we'll be having any practice sessions or something.
Practice you can do at home. No problem at all. Right? It is
Okay.
online. How can I check your computer?
Yeah. Okay.
So you can practice at your home. If you have any doubt, you can post in WhatsApp group. I will clear your doubts. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good.
Sir, in which ID will follow?
You can use any IDE. I am using code block software. Code
Sir,
block.
when I'm using Visual Studio, then it is showing many errors on that sometimes.
Visual Studio is actually meant for C# language, Visual Basic language. But to do one thing, you can use Turbo C++ IDE or Code Blocks IDE, or you can use direct online IDEs also. Without loading any software, you can use so many tools to compile and run the program. I will explain you later how to use those. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next 2-3 days, we will have only theory sessions. After that, we will have only practical sessions. So
Sir,
while doing the practicals, I will explain you how to compile, how to run. Every program I will write, I will compile, I will run. Okay, you won't get any doubt, no problem at all.
Sir, actually, if it runs in C language, so can we continue in that, sir?
You can continue. What is that?
Okay, okay, sir.
Turbo C, it is very good. It is the first compiler for C.
Yeah, sir, but it's been decades, right? So it's not that updated.
No. For our programs, it is okay, no problem, right? That is the first one. That is the first one, and that is the most popular one. Now we are using some apps. Those are the hybrid apps. Okay. What you are using is right.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, in Turbo C, it is working as interpreter like that.
Compile. In Turbo C, you have compiler. C is a compiler.
So
It is
C is a
also called as
compiler.
interpreter, no problem at all.
Sir, but the interpreter is happen at one line execution of each line at a time, and
Oh,
in
we
compiler,
actually correct, but we cannot see, no.
uh,
At the time
but
of compilation, you cannot see how it is compiling, how it is running. We cannot see. We know only the thing is that how to compile, how to run. That's it. Got it?
sir, but in Turbo C, each line is being given as an output like that. But in Visual Studio or something else ID, what happens that at a time we are getting compiled output. So we are
In,
not getting which line the error is. But
no.
in
In C language also same. In C language, it is also compiler, not interpreter. C is a compiler. Turbo C is a compiler software.
but
Okay.
sir, some difference is there in code blocks and in Turbo C because one of my teachers said me that using Turbo C is a better option because in each line they show some error which we are getting that yes the line is wrong or right.
In any language, you will get the same. In code blocks also, you will get the same. No doubt, right? No problem. I will explain later, no problem. First, listen to the things, right? Once we enter into the programs, then I will explain. You can see each one on screen, no problem at all. Don't bother about that. I will explain every concept very clearly. You have the mics. Whenever you got the error, whenever you got doubt, then please ask me, I will explain, no problem. If it is completed, please tell me.
Yes sir.
Completed? Can I go to next topic? Mohammed
Yes, sir.
Samir? Right. Now the next topic is keyboard. My dear friends, here I allotted in previous example, I allotted 3 names. One is roll number. It was the name allotted by me. Second one is main. It is the name given by me. Third one is pi. It is the name given by me. Me means user. Some names are already defined in computer. Integer. It is a name already defined in computer. Void. It is a name already defined in computer. So these are called predefined identifiers. System defined identifiers. Those are also called as keywords. Got it? What is a keyword? Got it? So what is keyword? It is a name defined by computer. It is a system defined identifier. It is a reserved word. Reserved word. The meaning of keyword you cannot change. We cannot alter the meaning of keyword. The meaning of keyword you cannot change. If you try to change, then you will get error. If you try to change the meaning of keyword, then we will get error. In C language, we have 32 keywords. C supports 32 keywords. Example: character, integer, float, double, void. These 5 are called data types. Void is nothing but nothing. It is used to indicate nothing. Next, long, short, signed, unsigned, CONST, if, else, switch, case, default, while, for, do, break, continue, go to, auto, static, register, extern, return, struct, union, enum, type def, size of, and so on. Totally 32 keywords you have. So these are the names already defined in computer C language. In this total session, today, not today, in these 45 days, you are going to teach, we are going to touch all the keywords. So the names, those are already defined in computer are called as keywords. Got it?
Sir,
Amma.
so the main problem is that in interview they are mainly asking about the coding round what the coding round in C, sir. That I'm not getting, sir. This theory part we are getting in the book also, but how to solve the coding problems as in, sir, in code share.
I already told you one thing. We have only 2 theory sessions. After that, we will have so many programs. Okay, you have to learn those programs and practice. Then you will get coding. That's it. There are no special classes for coding.
Sir,
Coding is
in lead,
nothing but problem solving. That's it.
sir, one more thing, sir. Can I ask?
You can ask.
Sir, in lead code, sir, the problems I'm getting, sir, I'm feeling very hard to do solve like that. Sir, I'm not understanding
Those
them
are
how.
very, very hard, my dear friends. First, you need to learn C language very well. In
Sir,
C language, I am going to explain you what are the tools available, where we can use, where we cannot use, with some applications, basic applications. Right?
sir,
Some
Sir,
difficult applications, but I am not going to solve cold lead software or hackathon problems and hacker earth problems, right? Dilkash.
sir, one more thing, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, after the 45-day class is over, sir, we will get contact with you, or just for the 45 days only you will be helping us.
You have a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, you can post any doubt. Okay, whenever I am free, I will clarify your doubt. No problem. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
You note this. Note this.
Okay, okay.
Note, right? Note it down. After that, after completion of writing down, then I will go to the next topic. You need to note down this until we completed the free demo classes. Once we complete the free demo classes, then you need not to note it down. I will send this material every day to you. Noting down this material wastes some time. So to save that time, I will send this material every day to you. In 55 minutes of class, just you have to listen, that's it. No writing. If it is completed, please tell me. I will go to the next topic. If it is completed, please tell me. Can I go to next one?
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Okay, right. Here I typed just 31.
Yes, sir. Completed.
One was missed, I think. Right? Right. Can I go? Can I go to next topic? That is format specifiers. What is the meaning of format specifiers? Friends, here I will mention one table. What are the data types we have? What are the format specifiers we need to use? We have character data type, am I right? Next, integer data type. Next, float data type. Next, double data type. My dear friends, what is this R? It is a character. A, character. M, character. A, character. When you combine all these, then it becomes group of characters. That is nothing but string. Am I right? String. Suppose I mentioned integer salary equal to 50,000. Yesterday I explained you this big value cannot store in integer variable. Then what we need to do? We need to write long integer. So long integer is 1. We have octal number. Octal number we can use. We can use hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number. So for character, you can use one symbol. My dear friends, for better understanding, I will give a small example. In our country, we have BJP party. We have Congress party. What is the symbol of BJP? Lotus, am I right? BJP, lotus. What is the symbol of Congress?
Hand.
And each party is having a name and it is having a symbol also. What is the need of this symbol? It is having a name, even though it is having a symbol. What is the need of a symbol?
Representation.
Name also representation. No, BJP, we know all BJP. Okay, all the peoples know BJP. All the peoples know Congress. Even though it is having a symbol. Why means? So many voters are illiterates. They cannot read Telugu. They cannot read English. They cannot read Hindi. The people cannot read. For them, this symbol is very, very useful. Am I right? But in the same manner, for each data type, we have to specify with some symbol. That symbol is called as format specifier. For character, I can use %C. C means character. For integer, I can use %I or %D also. I means integer. D means decimal number. What is that? Decimal number. For float, you can use %F. F means float. For double, actually we need to use D. But we already used D, no? So we cannot use D here. LF we have to use. LF means long float. L means long. F means float. It maintains only 6 precisions. It maintains 10 precisions. So it is lengthy than float. So long float. For string, we can use percentage %s. For long integer, you can use percentage %LD. For octal number, you can use percentage %O. For hexadecimal, you can use percentage %x, or you can use percentage $X also. So these are the symbols you have to use to specify the format of data. So these symbols are called as format specifiers. Now, my dear friends, what is format specifier? It is a special character. What is the speciality? It always begins with percentage symbol. That is the specialty, percentage symbol. What is the use of these? These are used to specify the format of data. So what is the use of these? These are used to specify the format of data. If you want to specify the format of data, you have to use these symbols. When we can use these symbols? While reading the data, as well as while printing the data, we can use these symbols. These can be used in reading. Reading means input operation. Printing means output operation. In reading, in printing, and in output, in input and or in output operation, we can use these symbols. So these are the some of the format specifiers we have. Friends, is it clear? Note on this.
Sir, one thing you can do that the whole thing you can copy and paste in the chat so that we can just copy and paste from there and we'll access in our Word.
No. These are the fundamentals. Okay. That too, I want to use some drag my time. Why? Because these are the free classes, no?
Okay.
Okay. This is the last free class, right? Okay. After once we complete the free classes, entire class I will tell you. You need not to note it down. This clear?
Yes, sir. So right, I'm not writing because I am not keeping pen and there. I just seeing the your videos. That is I'm saying.
Okay. No
But
problem. No problem. No problem.
if I'll take the access, then you will give this also, sir.
Once you pay the fee, then I will create a WhatsApp group for you. Then I will send all this material from first day to last day.
Okay,
No
sir.
problem.
Okay, sir.
Sir, could you show from starting, sir?
That's it.
Okay.
Can you scroll down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, could you scroll down?
Okay. Mohit Reddy, I sent you my phone number to you. I ping a message. Whenever you are free, then you can call it, you can make a call and you can talk to me, no problem. Mohit Reddy, okay? Okay, right.
Completed, sir.
Right. So the next topic is escape sequences. What is the meaning of escape sequence? Friends, I will explain a small example here. I am writing a leave letter like this. Leave letter. Today's date 23/8/2024. My village, Hyderabad. To the principal, Geetam Engineering College. Respected sir, I am suffering from fever. So please grant me leave for 2 days. Thanking you, sir. Yours faithfully. My signature, my name. I write a leave letter like this. Is it acceptable or not acceptable? Speak out. Whether it be right or wrong, speak out.
Yes, sir. It's acceptable.
No, it is not acceptable. Why? Because, Verma, you write a leave letter. But
Yeah.
to write a leave letter, there is some procedure. It should have some format. How to write a leave letter? You have to take a paper. At middle, you have to write leave letter. At right side, you have to mention the date and Hyderabad. Here you have to mention the two address to the principal, Geetam's Engineering College. Respected sir. So I am so and so. I am suffering from fever. So please grant me leave for 2 days. Like this, you have to write the matter. In center, you have to write thanking you, sir. At right place, you have to write yours faithfully, your signature, and your name. Like that, you have to write. The leave letter will be accepted when you write like this. The first one is wrong. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So to write a leave letter in specific format, we need to move the cursor from one location to another location. For that, we are using escape sequences. So, my dear friends, whenever you open a new file, then cursor will be at top left position, top left corner. The cursor will be here. I want to move the cursor to this place. For that, what I have to do? I have to press space bar. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or you can use tab also, tab key. What happens when you press tab key?
Something will be highlighted, right?
No. Whenever you press tab key, see, I will press tab key here. Whenever I press tab key, the cursor will move one tab distance right side. The cursor will move from here to here.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So in C language, for that we have to use /t. Whenever you use /t, then what happens? It move the cursor to a tab distance forward. Clear? Forward.
Sir, I didn't get you. Instead of pressing tab, we'll use /t, right?
I will explain. I will give one small example to you, then you can understand. To explain this, I am using the code block software and I am writing a sentence. Then you can understand it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Code block software is opening. Right, it was opened. I am going to take a new file. File new empty file. How to write a sample C program? First we need to write hash include stdio.h. Then we need to write void main. In these two curly brackets, you have to write the code.
Yes, sir.
What I want to do is, I want to print my country name and my capital name, country capital name. To print the data in C language, we have to use printf. Whatever you want to print, that should be represented within the double quotations. Now I want to print India, my country name, and my country capital name, Delhi. After each statement, we have to put semicolon. I want to run this program. Before running, I am saving. Save. I am saving with name batch 91. .c we have to give. .c.
It is extension, right, sir?
Yes. .c is nothing but extension.
Sir, shouldn't
Right?
we use return 0 slash?
Whenever you use void, then need not to return 0. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I got it.
Now execute this program. Now it will print India, Delhi. But it is not in readable format. Then what to do? After print India, I want to give a tab space. I want to separate India and Delhi. After printing India, to move the cursor to a tab space, then we have to use /t. Then run the program. Then what happens? First it print India. It print India. After that you write /t. Then it move the cursor to a tab distance right side. Then it printed Delhi. Got it?
Yeah, sir. Now I got it. Yes.
So to move the cursor to a tab distance right side, you have to use /t.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Right. It is the slash thing. Now, what is escape sequence? Now you can understand what is the escape sequence. It is also a special symbol. It is a special character. What is the speciality? It always begins with which symbol? Slash symbol. Got it? It always begins with this symbol. Why we are going to use this? It is used to print the output in specific format. It is used to print the output in specific format. When we have to use this? While printing the data only you have to use. In input operation you should not use.
Okay, sir.
It can be used only with output. With input you should not use. What are the examples? This is the first example I am giving. The remaining examples I will explain tomorrow. Note on this topic. Tomorrow means tomorrow we don't have any class. Monday I will continue the class. Amma Mohit Reddy, it is my personal number.
Sir,
Amma, tell me.
sir, actually, I'm having a doubt on regarding we'll write comments, right?
Yes.
So in that double if we mention double quotes, it will be it will be a single line comment, right?
No. Double quotes. Nahi. You have to start the single line comment with this symbol.
Yeah, sir, double slash, sorry, double slash.
Double slash.
If the comment is big, then what with what symbol we should represent it?
This one I already mentioned. No. Within these two symbols you have to mention.
Yeah,
Slash
sir.
star and star slash.
Okay, sir.
Right. Friends, today is the last free demo class. If you want to continue, then you have to pay the fee. This is the Google Pay number or Phone Pay number to pay the fee of 2000 rupees. After completion of writing, you can leave from the class. I will wind up the session. If you have any doubt, you can stay in class and you can ask.
Sir, here it is written in the message box, meeting chat, the for the fees and all the payment, and
Yes,
here
yes,
the
yes.
sir, okay, two numbers are given, Google Pay and Phone Pay. Okay.
Okay. Any number you can use, no problem, right?
And the screenshot we have to send in the
Email ID. They gave one email ID, no? Durga Software Online, I think.
okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, my coding is very weak about that thing I want to say, sir. Sir, how to improve? I'm feeling very scared when I'm seeing the questions in the interview or the something, if anyone asks about how to some question, if they gave an live compiler, they gave, as in many company they did, to code like in Google or Amazon or something, they give an one ID or their own ID to code. Sir, I'm getting very scared on doing that. Sir, how to
Amma,
escape?
it will come on practicing. Okay, there is no medicine or there is no injection for coding, right? Only the thing is that practice, practice, practice. That's it. Okay, for very beginning, you will take some time. Okay, after a few days, you will get all the knowledge of which tool you have to use where, which tool you should not use. Okay, by seeing the example or by seeing the question, you should be understand. Yeah, it can be solved using if or while or for or do while. Here you can use break or continue. Okay, here you can use single dimension array or double dimension array. Here you can use string. Which concept you have to use? All these things you can get by practicing only.
And sir, one more thing I want to ask that, sir, the bug, sir, in solving the bug only, the error while while compiling and
You are getting the bugs means bugs will be come when you are poor in programming language. So first you have to understand how to write the program. Okay, then you won't get any error. So I will write so many programs, you won't get any error. Why? Because I know how to write, how we cannot write. So the proper syntaxes we have to remember. Those syntaxes, if you use wrongly, then you will get error. So writing, you understanding the syntax and by hearting the syntax is very, very important in C language.
okay, sir.
Amma, if it is completed, then I can leave.
Sir, this class are taking online or offline also?
Online only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I am staying in Nasrapeta. I am you are staying in somewhere, no? So
Yes, sir.
offline is not possible, right?
And sir, one more thing, that sir, you only took C classes or some else, some more languages
C,
like?
Java, Python, and data structures, web technologies. Okay. These classes I can teach very well.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, how much time will it take to complete a Java course?
Any course you can learn within 45 days, Varma.
Okay, sir. Even it is JavaScript or something
Java
else.
also, Python also, anyone, right?
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Thank
Yes.
you.
Sir, sir, according to other language, Python is far more easier than any language like Java and C and C++.
Yes, yes,
I,
yes, it is right.
sir, that is
Python.
most of the non-IT and non-CSE background students, they start with the Python only, and nowadays Python is going very high demand as data scientists or machine learning. They are using Python only.
But to understand any programming language, whether it may be Java, C++, Python, whatever it may be, you should
C,
have the basic concepts of C. Otherwise,
yes,
you cannot understand. Why? Because in Python, you will use so many functions. You don't know what is a function, how it will execute. Okay, then you cannot understand that concept very easily, right?
and sir, what is the recommendation of the book? Let us see by Ashwin Kanetkar, sir.
Yes,
That,
yes, you can use. No problem.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma. Good night. Next class on Monday.